2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright, can you circle the number?
9. 9.
Good job. Can you count the clouds?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Alright, circle it.
Circle 7.
Alright, good job. Can you count those leaves?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job. Circle the number.
Circle the number 8. 10. Yeah.
Circle the right number. Good job.